That's a hit, brother. Come on, call that. No, you didn't hit me. Yeah, I sprayed on that one. I wanted to make sure.
You didn't call it safe?
Nope.
Yeah, move up, yeah.
We got another guy.
Take that motherfucker out.
You got my helmet. Good shot. Yeah, you got my helmet. Babe, run back, go. Run, go. I have that video. Oh, you alright?
Did you get that though?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah.
Come on. Shake it off, brother. What's up, babe? What's up? Talk to me. It's a pink. I'm gonna have to work with it, okay? Don't worry about it. We'll put it right here. Don't forget it. We're spotted. 10, 9, 8. Take a break. Babe, you're on me. Come on.